Welcome to my channel.
A small golden clownfish named Finn lived happily near a coral reef, its vibrant orange and white stripes shimmering.
Help! Somebody please help me! He's gonna eat me.
Not today, he isn't. Follow me.
We sing the ancient song, the
Finally, the little golden carpfish returned home.
Finally, the little golden koi fish returned home, wiser, braver, and never afraid of the deep sea again.
Thanks, Rocky. That was the best adventure ever. I promise we'll come back to the Lost Fish Cave again soon.